In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe publishable key and secret key. To begin, log into your Stripe account and wait for the dashboard to fully load. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This will open the area where Stripe keeps account configuration and developer-related options. From there, select Developers. Inside the Developers section, open API keys. This is where Stripe stores the credentials used to connect your applications to your Stripe account. If you're working on a website, app, or integration, this is the section you'll need. Now, scroll down until you reach the Standard Keys section. In this area, you'll see the main keys available for your Stripe account. First, locate the Publishable key. This key is designed for client-side use, meaning it can safely be used in the front end of your application, such as your website or mobile app interface. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe publishable key and secret key. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can manage your payment settings and developer tools. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, since the keys you copy will belong to the account you're currently viewing. Next, look to the lower left corner of the dashboard and click on Developers. This section contains the tools and credentials used for connecting Stripe to your website, app, or other platform. After that, under the Developers section, click API Keys. This is where Stripe stores the keys your applications use to communicate with Stripe securely. When the API Keys page opens, scroll until you reach the Standard Keys section. In this area, you'll see the main keys commonly used for Stripe integrations. First, locate the Publishable key. This key is designed for use in parts of your application that users interact with directly, such as your front end. Go ahead and copy the Publishable key. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere secure and temporary while you gather the second key, so you don't have to come back and copy it again later. Now, locate the secret key. This key is more sensitive and should be handled carefully. If Stripe asks you to confirm access, click Reveal Live Key Token or Reveal Test Key Token, depending on whether you're working in live mode or test mode. This step is important because Stripe protects this key by default for security reasons. Once the secret key is visible, copy it. Be careful not to share it publicly or include it in any client-side code. After copying both keys, store them securely. For example, they're typically kept in a secure password manager or in protected environment variables, depending on your workflow. From there, use the Publishable key in your front-end application. This is the key meant for browser-based or client-facing use. Then use the secret key in your back-end application, where it can remain private and protected from users. Keeping each key in the correct place is essential for both security and proper Stripe functionality. And that's it. You now know how to find, copy, and safely use your Stripe Publishable key and secret key. Thanks for watching.